that resembles your default printer. So it probably would say Brother, Epson, Canon, Dell, something along those lines. And to give you an even greater hint, it'll probably be a little check mark next to it, which will indicate it is your default printer. Most people are going to be experiencing this issue with their default printer, so I just want to give you guys a heads up, because what we're about to do is going to involve that one printer and that one printer only. So it looks like this Brother printer is my printer, so I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to left click on printer properties. Please note I'm not clicking on properties down here, I'm clicking on this printer properties right here, and I'm going to click on it one time to open it up. And now I'm going to left click on the ports tab at the top. And now our default port should be checkmarked. You might need to use this scroller to find it. And once you have found the one that's checkmarked and you have clicked on it once to select this port, you want to left click on this configure port button right here. Underneath SNMP status enabled, you want to uncheck this box and then click on OK and close out of this window. And I recommend restarting your computer and turn your printer back off and then turn it on again.